Okay, hello my friends, hope you're all doing well. Look, today I just want to explain to you how we're using Google with Facebook. I know a lot of business owners out there, yourself included maybe, have been led to believe you're really only to choose one platform or the other, either Google or Facebook or Google, whatever it is. And I'm here to tell you that that's not necessarily the best way to go about it, because we've been able to reduce on average all of our clients' cost per lead and cost per purchase by being able to use both platforms, Google and Facebook, synergistically to do that. So if you're interested in reducing your cost per lead and your cost per sale by 30%, then listen on up. Now, I just want to explain the main difference that I see as a digital marketer between both platforms. Google is a higher intent audience. They are literally searching prospectively for your business, for your solution that you provide in the form of a service or a product. If you sell baby bottles, then obviously there's mums out there looking online to find the right baby bottle for a number of different reasons, right? You provide a solution to a problem. So the search traffic and the prospective customers and clients that come through Google are literally searching for your product. They are solution aware. They know that there is a solution out there. And so I'd say they're much more in a more urgent situation to buy than say Facebook. Now, Facebook on the other hand, I don't mean to denote my own platform, but it is more in the essence of consideration. You are in a world of pattern interrupt. You're trying to stop someone, get enough of their attention to at least have them consider reaching out for your product or services. Now, there's going to be a smaller percentage and a smaller element of people who are ready to buy now, but you need to take them from only considering your product or service, I should say, to be able to warm them up to be actually purchase and inquire about your service, generate a lead. Now, what I'll do down here is I'll divert your attention down to this paper, is I'm just going to outline exactly how this funnel works for us. You have a paid Facebook ad and you have a paid Google ad. Now, you would send both these traffic types, sources, to your sales page. I promise I'll get a new pen soon. And what that's doing is you are sending not only your higher intent traffic from Google, but you're also sending your, consideration traffic from Facebook as well. People who are just somewhat considering about, reaching out to you if you're on a service-based business or looking to buy your product if you're online e-commerce, right? Now, two things are going to happen. They're either going to buy, in which case, fantastic, or they're either going to not buy, which isn't that great, but all is not lost, and this is where the most powerful key point comes from this strategy. You now get to retarget all of that wonderful high intent traffic, people searching for your product on Facebook. So now you've got a retargeting ad for Facebook. That's what RTFB means. And you can also, if you feel so inclined, remarket on Google, right across YouTube, display campaigns. I'm in no way, shape or form a Google expert, but I know you can do it and I know it works extremely well. So now you have, again, a retargeting ad for Google, RTG. Now, where do you send all that traffic? You can send all of that traffic right back to your sales page. So think about this for a second. Even if you only did one of these things, maybe you only just run Google ads, right? You run ads on Google, people search for those keywords and those key terms that you're after and go to your sales page, but they don't buy for whatever reason. Now you can remarket them right across Facebook, you can remarket to them right across Google and their display partner websites, and you have multiple opportunities to convert that customer, to convert that prospective customer into a customer, I should say. So what I want to give you is just a little bit more of a bonus tip here. We're going to shoot over to my laptop here and I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a custom audience of people who have been to your website, and then I'm going to show you how to use that in a Facebook ad really quickly. All right, let's go. Now, first things first, you want to go to the audience section, which is that one right there. So when you get in here, you're going to see quite a few different opportunities. The first one I'm going to show you is essentially just a custom audience of people who've been to the website. Now, you need to have a Facebook pixel installed on the website before you start any of this stuff. If you're sending people to your website for whatever reason, you need to have a Facebook pixel set up. There's no negotiation on that. And when you have the Facebook pixel set up, when you go to click create audience to a custom audience, and then you click website, you're going to see that your Facebook pixel is active, and you want to have that all website visitors in the past 30 days as kind of a maximum to start with. Maybe even 14 days if you're getting at least 1,000 people in 14 days. But you know, most people when they're just starting out have less than 1,000, so we usually push it out to 30 days. Then you name that website visitors 30 days, WSV 30 days, and go create audience. And we'll go done. And then we're going to scooch on over back to our ad account. Now what's going to happen is when you create whatever campaign you want, let's just use a lead generation one for this demonstration, where your custom audience will be available to be selected is right here in that custom audience section. So you're going to click on custom audience, and you're going to see the one that we've just created, WSV 30 days, pop in there. Now, very important that you remember when you're creating these retargeting / custom audiences, don't put any interests in here. Don't touch any of the age brackets. Don't touch any of the genders. Obviously, probably only just select the country that you want to advertise in, and it's going to retarget everybody. Unless, in fact, you cannot service outside of a certain geographical radius of your independent location, then you can start to dial in like towns and suburbs and that kind of stuff. But if you service, you know, your entire country, then you'd want to make sure that you actually put your country in there, nothing else, because that retarget audience, mind you, is people, as we mentioned earlier, who have searched up on Google and actually had a look at, as a higher intent kind of behavior, had a look at your product or your service to then reach out to you. Okay, so look, as always, I hope this video has provided you with a bit of value and given you some insight. If you want any more feedback or if you'd like some help, please comment below and I'll talk to you soon. See you later.